What's up, guys? I'm talking to a new stores. I am recording. I am recording this. Sorry, this is not live. Sorry, it's not live. Cause try to work, it don't let me. Just talking this new. Let's go. You wanna go, bruh? You already know what's my name, Jake. Not like Jake Paul, just Jake. I hate this new. I'm leaving. It's boring. Today, I don't know what we'll do. Go to the comments, and say, what tomorrow we'll do. What game we'll play. That's what. And I don't have enough money. I'm just checking the $29. I'll get some pancake. No, that's pie. I think. I don't know. It looks like a pancake. Cheeseburger, pizza. I'm getting soda because I like sodas. Well, you should say taco. I'm drinking soda. Oh, good. You are back. I am recording. Me? Did me? No. Do you? No. She got sad because I don't like her. She's ugly as hell. Bruh. She is so ugly. Not you. Not you. And not you. Sorry you can't see my face because I'm just doing like this, like going down. I don't know why. Or who copied my name? Sorry, who copied my name? I'm the real Jake. Bro, my name is Jake. What the freak? Names. Hey. You know What? You know what? Punch. Punk. You. 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 Look. So ugly. Hi. You are cute. I I I am recording. Can I ask you something? Yes. What do you want? Ask me. 'Cause I want to say hi YouTube. Guys, don't say hi in YouTube. Oh yeah, I gotta say this. Leave a thumbs up. Everyone, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to me because remember last time I told you I'm not I would be 10 minutes on this. He's talking to me. Yeah, like, why do you care about people? Bruh, get on my face. Face. Get my face, nigga. Why you in my freaking clothes, nigga? Yeah. Yeah, leave, nigga. Free kid, I'm calling free kid. This nigga's. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Ooh. I'm gonna be alone here. No one talks. I'm just sit down here. doing my job. So we're still. I'm just sitting down for the good. I'm just sleeping. Okay, I'm gonna change my character because this is my real character. Just dress up. Every time I change my character, I don't know why. Oh, my account, like my cookie, that was my first account. The face, like I took a picture, the car, and the people, the guy, and that was my first account. This is my second account. That's not because we can buy roblox because it's so expensive. We'll just change my character. I don't want to. What the hurry? Oh yeah, I guess I'll be like it. Here I'll be like cool. Damn fool. I don't want to buy that. That's a waste of money even. I'll say so bro. So bro. So bro. This car. This is a long time. Not he left. Not he left. I don't care. Oh yeah. I need to get some money because I was in an apartment. So he's it. Looks ugly. This is my end of my video. Leave a thumbs up, please. And you know what? Subscribe my channel and go to the comments. Say what's the next video? What we'll do? Play Roblox or game? I'm gonna tell them say bye to YouTube. Yeah. Say bye to YouTube. Ooh, me. Ooh, me. Yeah. Bye, everyone. See you later. Bye, YouTube. I'm talking to this guy. See you.